पंजाब नेशनल बैंक ने 11,500 करोड़ के घोटाले में
India's biggest bank scam of Nirav Modi, the man who runs away.
18 in total PNB officials have been suspended.
16th February 2018. The Punjab National Bank, one of the country's largest public sector banks, announced that it had discovered unauthorized transactions worth over 11,400 crore. Within days, the estimated amount would rise to nearly 14,000 crore, making it the biggest banking fraud in Indian history at the time. News channels went into non-stop coverage. How did thousands of crores disappear? How could a government-owned bank lose this much money? Punjab National Bank's shares crashed. Investigative agencies launched raids across multiple cities. Luxury jewelry showrooms were sealed. Diamonds, gold, luxury watches, cars, everything connected to the empire was suddenly under scrutiny. Then came another shocking revelation. The man at the center of the scandal, Nirav Modi, had already left India weeks before the fraud became public. The country had one question. How does someone borrow nearly 14,000 crore without the bank realizing it? Before he became one of India's most infamous businessmen, Nirav Modi was a symbol of luxury, success, and ambition. Born into a family with deep roots in the diamond business, he learned the trade from an early age. But Nirav wasn't interested in simply selling jewelry. He wanted to build a brand, a global luxury empire. His diamonds appeared at prestigious international exhibitions. Hollywood celebrities wore his designs, and his luxury stores opened in cities like Mumbai, New York, Hong Kong, and London. The world was watching. Business magazines praised his success. Investors trusted his vision, and banks were eager to finance his growing empire. From the outside, everything pointed in one direction: success. But behind the diamonds, behind the luxury, and behind the carefully built image of a global businessman, something else was happening. His empire was becoming increasingly dependent on borrowed money, and the deeper he went, the harder it became. The story begins inside a branch of Punjab National Bank in Mumbai. International businesses often need short-term credit to import goods. Banks provide this using something called a Letter of Undertaking, or an LOU. Think of it as a guarantee. One bank promises another bank that the customer will repay the loan. If the customer fails, the issuing bank becomes responsible. To send these guarantees internationally, banks use a secure messaging network called SWIFT. Normally, every SWIFT message must also be recorded inside the bank's core banking software. That creates an official record. Except at this branch, that never happened. One employee changed everything. Gokulnath Shetty had access to the bank's SWIFT system. Instead of following official procedures, he allegedly sent unauthorized guarantees to overseas banks. The messages looked genuine. Foreign banks trusted them. Loans were approved. Money was released. But inside Punjab National Bank, those guarantees didn't exist. No accounting entry, no official approval, no collateral, no record. It was as if billions of rupees had appeared out of thin air. When earlier loans came due, new guarantees were issued to repay them. The cycle continued for years, largely unnoticed. And with every new transaction, the fraud grew larger. Everything changed in January 2018. Employees handling Nirav Modi's companies approached the bank once again. This time, They requested another letter of undertaking, but the new officer refused. According to bank records, the companies had no existing credit limits. The representatives were confused. They insisted this had always been done before. That simple conversation triggered an internal investigation. The bank searched its records. Nothing. No guarantees, no approvals, no documents. Yet overseas banks demanded repayment. The missing entries exposed years of hidden transactions. The fraud was finally uncovered. By the time authorities realized what had happened, Nirav Modi had already left India. Investigators raided homes. Luxury stores were sealed. Jewelry worth thousands of crores was seized. His business empire collapsed almost overnight. International agencies became involved. Eventually, he was located in London. India requested his extradition. Years later, the legal battle is still continuing through the British courts. The Punjab National Bank fraud wasn't just about stolen money. It was about broken trust. Customers trusted banks, banks trusted employees. Foreign lenders trusted official guarantees. And every layer of trust became another opportunity for fraud. One hidden loophole, one compromised insider, and billions disappeared. The scandal became a reminder that financial systems are only as strong as the controls protecting them. Because sometimes the most dangerous robberies don't happen inside vaults. They happen inside computers. And by the time anyone notices, the money is already gone.